Hello there, I'm Natalie, and this is my derpy dog Jupiter, and he's sliding because there's no carpet and he's slowly falling down. How you doing today? How you doing today? So let's cut to the chase. I love stationery. You probably love stationery.
Me?
Everybody else loves stationery. Maybe not. Okay. So I thought, why not share the stationery love with you guys and give 3 of my lucky subscribers everything in this haul. So stick to the very end to find out how to win it. So here's a little celebration dance for the stationery haul. If you like these, give it a thumbs up. Let me know down below in the comments. We can do more this year. And speaking of celebration, today's video is sponsored by Fabletics. So excited to show you more on them in a little bit. Let's get into the giveaways. Excuse my attire. I only dress from the waist up. So for giveaway number 1, the very first thing you will be winning is a boogity goody board. Yeah. This is super easy. You literally write like that. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous, it's aesthetic. You can put it on your refrigerator. And I actually use this daily to just write my personal to-do list because I like having this next to me, erasing it. It's pretty self-explanatory. I just love it so much. So you're gonna be getting one as well. The very next thing you will be winning are these Papermate Ink Joy pens. These are some of my favorites. I just gotta tell you, my handwriting looks gorgeous with these. And they're very comfortable. They have a nice little grip here and it comes in all of these colors. Another thing you will be winning is a little Tomboy permanent adhesive. Pretty much it's amazing for bullet journaling or just any journaling of that matter. So literally you can glue things down by just stamping it on. So instead of gluing it and things turning out all bubbly, this is the best thing. Plus it's like ASMR to the max. Listen to this. Absolutely love it. I relax. I go into heavenly land with this. It's weird. Shabam! These are some of my favorites. These are the friction. I don't know how to pronounce it. These 5 colors look gorgeous on a page. It's the simplest thing to make any page look that much more aesthetic, just put together. And I've done a bunch of journaling videos before in the past with these. I will link it down below in case you're interested or want some inspiration after a notebook. So this one says Notebook Thoughts and Ideas. It's really cute. This is some of my favorite size. It's by Opal House. Super cute, adorable, inspiring. There really isn't much to it. I just thought, shabam! I should really stop that. This is one of my favorite recent finds. It's called Burn After Writing, and it is such a good journal prompt book. You go deep in here, and part of the reason why I wanted to gift this to you is because I sometimes find it challenging to just look at my bullet journal and I go blank. I don't really know where to start, so I think this is a really great place for instance. Also, if you are interested in more journal prompts, you know that your girl can hook you up. We have a wide array over on nataliesoutlet.com. Pretty much all of these productivity, habit trackers, sleep trackers, coloring sheets, anything you want, absolutely free. Downloaded right at your home or printable. Okay, this is like the kind of stationery product that everybody knows what it is. No one has to introduce it. Colorful Post-its. I love it. You can never have too many. So I figured you needed a whole array of them. Also, I had no idea they had a Post-it app. This just looks gorgeous on top of everything. You can decorate your fridge, you can decorate your life. These next things are these beautiful highlighters by Tomboy, which is like the classiest of stationery items, you know what I'm saying? I've actually never used these, but they look very pretty, very vibrant. They have a broad tip, they have a bullet tip, and it's gonna be just all kinds of great tips. You're gonna love it. You already know these are hands down my favorite bullet journal and just journaling item. I need these in my life. I have way too many. My wide array of collection. And one random pencil.
Interesting.
I just love these. They are erasable pens that erase beautifully. Duh. They write really smooth. I kind of wish they were a little bit more pigmented, kind of like these, but for what they do, they're incredible and you can make mistakes. And the very last item you will be winning is this notebook. It looks kind of boring. It's a little Cambridge, very sophisticated, but this is my go-to notebook for my life coach sessions. You know, the ones where I cry. So this is mine. I actually have the big one. I thought you could just use the nice little small one. I think it's more convenient, honestly. First of all, these stickers are by my friend Type Haley. Absolutely gorgeous. It's one of my favorite notebooks. I'm just obsessed with this paper. I like how it has a little date thing here. It's just like the little things in life that make me happy. Ow. I've literally filled it up. You're gonna be getting a mini one. So stick to the very end to see how you can enter this. Oh, hi. Coughing my way in here since I'm showing you my stationery must-haves. I'm gonna be showing you my January Fabletics must-have. So this first outfit, absolutely love the color. It makes me feel super happy. I don't know if it's like a gradient or some kind of tie-dye, but I'm living for it. The material's nice and thick, really great quality, a little hoodie, and I'm absolutely obsessed with this one. You'll be seeing me wearing this a lot on my Instagram. All right, this next outfit, ooh girl, I feel so comfy. It is cozy, it is nice, it is soft. First of all, I love the detailing in all of their products. This shirt, you see the back, it's very different. It's not just an ordinary shirt. No, it has some pretty designing on the back so your bra can actually look through. Speaking of the bra, I absolutely love the way that this one fits. It's nice and compact, so you know that even your little itty bitty titties, committees like me, they are gonna stay in place. Absolutely love that my fat from the side doesn't pop off. Okay, that's why I like some of their compression bras. Absolutely incredible and still very comfy. And then these sweats, look at the little details. Not only do they have pockets, but the bottom is cuffed, which makes it incredible when you're wearing sneakers to just kind of show them off. And also just all of this little outlining throughout the pockets. Absolutely love it. And it's so comfy, so cozy. Absolutely, I'm a fan. Something really cool is Fabletics is always trying to be more eco-conscious, and this shirt is actually made from recycled materials, and it's so cool, so sweet, and it feels like you're doing a good thing for the world, so I love it. As a reminder, you can get any 2 bottoms for $24. That is a steal, okay? And 50% off the entire order plus free shipping when you join VIP. It does not get better than that. Look at my nails, they cute. And this year, they're actually doing something really awesome where you can check back in every Thursday for new styles like this, or like this, or like this. And VIP members also now get free access to Fabletics' very first ever fitness app, Fabletics Fits. It is amazing. Yes, give me 2 more. Okay, ow. They've brought some of the best trainers and workouts for your New Year's resolutions and goals. If you're interested in any of the styles that I featured, click the link in my description. Let's get back into the video and the giveaway. Giveaway number 2. So I'm starting off with not 1, not 2, not 3, but 25 bin liner colors. Baby, these are the bomb.com. Let me just tell you. This is my collection. And now you get 25. You have the full collection. Honestly, for journaling, chef's kiss. These don't bleed through any kind of surface. They are mild and a translucent color, so you can write and still highlight. It's not gonna overtake your page, you know? It's not gonna be like a puke rainbow. You will also, of course, be getting a little tomboy, little tapey majiggery thing for your scrapbooking. I might do a scrapbook video. Premium gel rollers. I like this one because it's the ultra fine 0.38 tip, and your handwriting is just gonna look gorgeous. Almost like it's been typed out. I love stationery so much, and I love talking to you guys about it, and I'm on nerd for this stuff. Okay, these are the Ida Rich. Oh, maybe just Cura Rich glitter highlighters. They're gorgeous. They make every page look that much more beautiful. Of course, you will also be getting a little A5 notebook to journal all your thoughts and feelings and revelations. These are actually a new item to me. I've never tried these, but dual tip pens are the best for calligraphy. So if you're into that, these are probably gonna be your jam. These are the big intensity dual tip markers. They also have a fine tip, so double the fun. They won't bleed. They're bold colors. That looks nice. If you're into calligraphy, I will link my calligraphy video down below. Bam! Another one of my absolute favorite, Moleskine. Can I collaborate with you? Love Moleskine. It's the freaking best notebooks out there. Bam! This is mine with fingerprints, dirty marks, inspiration, coffee stains. It's the best to write on. So this creamy color allows you to really flow within your thoughts. I love it. All right, and now for Natalie's Outlet must-have stationery and journaling products. Here we go. Number 1, little doodle books. The reason I love these is a lot of times when you're just journaling, you can get stuck, you don't know what to do, and the simpler, the better. They're gonna teach you how to do a cute little envelope, cute little flowers, and it's the best thing in my life. Love her stationery books. This is another one that I absolutely love. Another one that I absolutely love. Ooh, this is like a little book haul. And this one's even cooler because you can doodle with words. The title says it. It's so freaking fire. I just wrote whale, noodles. Another go-to is this journal. First of all, if it's currently still out, get it. This is my go-to bullet journaling because, first of all, it's cute, holographic. Second of all, the pages are insertable, so I also buy insertable pages. If you make a mistake, pop it out, change it around. I feel a lot less pressure with these than with a bullet journal to make it look better because you can just do everything you want. I freaking love it. I'll link it below. Get yourself a book for paper lovers. The title, I'm so good at explanations. This company, Flow, has the absolute best one. So what I love about these is it's a bunch of paper for paper lovers, but it allows you to really get super creative when it comes to your pages. Let me show you. So like for instance, this page was boring as hell. You know, it's just a quote, but I added some of the paper on the side, kind of changed it up, added some washi tape, some stickers, and it looks super cute. Also did it for this, super cute, just added a page. Sometimes you don't need to draw and do everything. You can literally just cut, slice, murder, paste. Now, you totally don't need this, but this is totally way too fun. I'm not even sure what this is called, but you get to, it's a label machine. fun, it's quirky, ASMR. I just love it. You don't need it, but pretty cool. And finally, a little stamp machine. Let's have some fun. Honestly, sometimes I can't be bothered doing calligraphy or even like writing things pretty, so just stamp it out. It's fun, it's therapeutic. I really like this. I started rock climbing, people. If you follow me on the vlog channel, you would know that. And I had to cut up all my beautiful nails. Just a little reminder that if you'd like a little sneak peek into my life, behind the scenes, me journaling, my hobbies, all of that stuff, feel free to check out my vlog channel, Natalie and Dennis, for more of this.
Pretty fun.
All right then, and now for the giveaway rules. It is very, very simple. Okay, for giveaway number 1, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel and hit that little bell, that's it. And then text me at this number with the hashtag stationerylover and tell me why
ain't nothing but a heartache
you like to watch my videos. I can sense your energy from the phone. So text me, tell me what you like about my videos, what videos, that's pretty much it. It's that simple. So that's for giveaway number 1. For giveaway number 2, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel and hit that little bell. Caress it while you're at it. Then head on over to my Instagram and go to this picture, share it on your stories, comment on it by tagging 3 friends and telling me how you came across my YouTube channel. That's it for giveaway number 3. Huh, you didn't even know there was one, was there? Okay, but there is. Unfortunately, recently with everything
COVID-related.
sending international packages is just not gonna be able to happen. But of course, I always think about my community from everywhere because I love you guys from South America, Japón, Jersey Shore.
You know, it's actually in the States, you know.
So I, of course, wanted to share the love with you. Unfortunately, I cannot send this stuff over, but what I can do is I can send a gift card for $250 for you to also fulfill all your little stationery dreams. So in order to win that, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, hit that little bell, and comment below what is one of your favorite videos of mine, and please leave me an email that we can reach you at. It has to be a legit one or else I can't reach you, okay? And that's pretty much it. So let me know down below which of the giveaways you prefer. Giveaway 1, giveaway 2. If you're international, you already know, honey. I love you guys so much. Thank you for spending some time with me today. I hope to do so many more journaling and stationery, and just, I freaking love this. Like, this to me is like breathing, and I just feel like in a little safe bubble in my art room, and I love it. So thank you for being here. I wanted to give a huge shout out to this lovely person right over here. Virtual kisses. If you like a shout out in my next video, I'll be the first to retweet my Twitter link and I will give you a shout out in the next video. Subscribe. Be sure to check out my last 2 videos over here. Also, my vlog channel is linked down below. All of these items will be linked down below in case you can't wait to see if you are the winner. Sending you lots of love, good vibrations from this side of the screen. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Oh! Cut my bangs. They're like ridiculously long. These are fake nails. Oh, starting to choke up. You guys know those ASMR roleplay videos? I kind of want to do one. We should do one, like a stationery, like, hey darling, how are you? Okay, I'm out.